Mini skid steer rentals, mini skid steer rental, mini track loader rentals, right here at Treeline Houston Rentals in Spring, Texas. You can rent this Vermeer S925TX stand behind, walk behind Vermeer track loader with trencher. If you're a landscaper, contractor, tree service company, you'll love this Vermeer S925TX walk behind track loader mini skid steer for your next project. You can get it with the trencher attachment. We also have a tiller rotary attachment. Call Treeline Houston Rentals today to get it reserved.